Well, I have some scary news. Here's Buddy. He's in the same spot, but look, the keys are gone. And look, Zart's not in jail anymore. He must have escaped. I wonder where we're gonna find him. Gonna go searching now and see what happens. Guess where all this glitter came from? Well, if you guessed right, Zart somehow stole the keys from Buddy, broke out of jail, and he did it again. Only this time, it's to the precious angel elf. She was so cute. And all of her gold glitter spilled out. It spilled out everywhere. Zart, why did you cut her open with the scissors? I think we're gonna have to put him in jail for the rest of his life. Comment down below what we can do about this bad elf off the shelf, Zart. There's so much glitter. Look at all the glitter. Oh no. It's all over my hands now too. Well, I had the cinnamon to restore the angel's magic. Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Well, hopefully this restored the angel's magic and she comes back to life. Oh, Zart. You guessed it. The cinnamon worked. It really worked. And look, she has her smile right back on her face. If you like this video and are really happy, don't forget to like it. Down below, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Sometimes they're a little bit naughty, and sometimes they're really, really nice. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy the angel's back.